How to create a Microsoft account from your mobile phone. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the Microsoft account sign in page. You can do this by typing on account.microsoft.com. Once you're on the Microsoft account page, tap on create account. Now you'll need to enter an email address. If you don't have one, you can create a new Outlook email by tapping Get a new email address. After you've entered your email address, then tap on Next. Now create a strong password for your account. Make sure it's something you'll remember but also secure. Tap Next after entering your password. Remember, a strong password typically includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Now enter your first and last name, then tap Next. Microsoft will send a verification code to your email. Open your email app, find the email from Microsoft and copy the code. Return to the browser and paste the verification code, then tap Next. Select your country and enter your date of birth, then tap Next. To ensure you're not a robot, Microsoft will ask you to solve a simple puzzle. Follow the instructions and complete the puzzle. Once you complete the puzzle, tap Next. And congratulations, you've successfully created your Microsoft account. You can now use it to access various Microsoft services like Outlook, OneDrive, and more. And that's it for today's tutorial. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.